Okay, perfect fiddlers. Let's get started. 1. Go to Lights. Just follow what I do. Honestly, it's very easy. So, tell me, how are you today? Keep following my instructions. Once we are done with these sliders, follow me to curves. Okay, let's go to curves now. Okay, now tap the funny looking color tab. Again, just follow what I do. Enjoying the editing? After this video, you are more than welcome to check out my other presets. Okay, now let's wiggle our way to the mix button. Remember, these are the HSL sliders. Again, just follow what I do. You have made it this far. Well done. Give yourself a pat on the back. Now, let's continue with our adjustments. Orange. Follow my adjustments below. Yellow. Follow my adjustments below. Out of interest, where are you watching from? Comment below. Green. Follow my adjustments below. Finally, we are almost done now. Magenta. Follow my adjustments below. This is starting to look amazing. But we have one last final step. Now, go to the Clarity tab and follow what I do. Okay, once we are done here, let's make our way to the final step. Sharpening. Sharpening can make or break an image. These settings I'm about to share with you now are perfect for social media. For example, Instagram. Just follow these settings. Hope you have liked this video so far. If you have, please like, as this helps me to bring more videos to you guys. That's it. We are all done. My awesome viewers. Hope you like it. Honestly, use this preset. And I'm sure everyone will be asking you, where the hell did you get it from? Ha ha ha. One last thing I want to add while you are waiting. Why not check out my other presets? I have many more. Choose whichever you like. Simply just tap on any video. At the end of this video, you will see other preset videos. Feel free to tap and watch and enjoy our free selection of awesome presets. And this is how you can apply the preset to any image. That's all for today. Enjoy the before and after. I'm sure you will. Ha ha ha. I love you all. Take care. Thank you for watching. Stay safe. Au revoir. Goodbye.